What we have here is a 2012 Bell & Howell Producer 16 with 4 rotary pockets and an envelope feeder. The table over here can be used to add a inkjet stamper here on this table. On this back part here, you can also add 2 rotary pockets, so it can change from a 4 to a 6. Also with this machine, we have never used in the facility a CMC sheet feeder folder. So this item comes with it, and if you wanted to set it up, it would attach here in the back and you can send your product through using it. We are now going to demonstrate this product operating.